Hello, this video is about creating interactive PowerPoint presentations and it's specially designed for teachers as part of their performance support system. So open your version of Microsoft PowerPoint. I will use the basic method of hyperlinking, especially using the action button. I will begin this interactive PowerPoint with embedding a video. So you have to select the video you want to share, want to use, click share, then embed. Copy the highlighted embed code and then go on to the slide where you want to insert the video. Then paste the code in the section for the embed code. Click OK, and of course you can adjust the placeholder for the video to get it right where you want it. So let me go through the steps with you. Here we are on the page for the video. I click insert. I already copied my video embed code, and so I will now come to the section that says from a video embed code. I will paste here and then I click insert. Now the video will come on the page. Alright, here's the video. I'll just adjust it to the size that I want it, just to make sure it's large enough for my students to watch it comfortably, and position it in the right place, and there's the video. The next step is to move on to creating the quiz. In creating the quiz, I have selected a few pictures. Now the video is really about vertebrates or invertebrates. My question says, is the fish a vertebrate or an invertebrate? Then here on the right I have the suggested answers: vertebrate, invertebrate. In order to make this quite interactive, I have hyperlinked. So when persons click on vertebrate, they will be able to see whether or not they are correct. So I use the action button on the toolbar. After selecting the shape with the answer, I click on the action button. Here I hyperlink this to slide 8 and I highlight, I click OK. So for the question with the fish, if the students click vertebrate, it will go to this slide that says you are correct. Well done. If the student clicks on invertebrate, again I use the action button to hyperlink the answer to slide 9. Slide 9 has on it incorrect answer, try again. So it continues through question 2. I hyperlinked the correct answer to the slide that says you're correct, and I hyperlink the incorrect answer to the slide that says incorrect answer, try again. Also, it's important to have a few navigation buttons. So in the case of question 2, there's a button to take them to the end when they also are on you are correct, and I'll show you how it works in a minute. You are correct. I also have a button here so they can go back, or a button that they can go to the end. Now here's the video. So of course I click to play.
Vertebrate. What does it mean and what does it have to do with you? Well, this video will tell you all about it and give you some great examples of what has them and what doesn't. Now let's get technical. But we'll get more on that later. A mammal that you might not think of is you. That's right.
Okay, so that's the content. And here let's try to answer the questions. Is the fish a vertebrate or an invertebrate? I'll click on the correct answer, and I have the screen to say you are correct with the indication Very good, and encouragement to the student. Of course, the navigation button on the left will take me to the next slide. The second question, is the crab a vertebrate or an invertebrate? Let me click on the incorrect answer. It says incorrect answer, try again with the arrow to take me back to the question that I missed. So here it is. I click the correct answer and I get the signal. At this point, I can use the end button to take me to the end of the quiz. A very easy way of integrating technology into teaching. Thank you for watching.